A training dataset is a collection of data used to instruct AI models on how to interpret tasks and make decisions. This data forms the fundamental basis that AI systems, particularly generative AI models, use to learn and hone their capabilities. For generative AI, these datasets need to be vast and varied, and encompass a wide range of information. This broad general knowledge base helps the AI model understand and replicate complex language patterns and content styles. For general-purpose generative AI models like ChatGPT, the training datasets typically consist of a broad mixture of text from books, websites, articles, and other digital content across numerous domains. This eclectic dataset helps the model learn diverse styles of communication, understand various topics, and respond to a wide array of queries with high relevance and accuracy. For example, ChatGPT has most likely been trained on datasets that include everything from literary works to social media posts, to help it understand a wide variety of human communications. AI models that are fine-tuned for more specific purposes may also have a more specific training dataset. For instance, a training dataset for a generative AI model used in legal or healthcare professions might include thousands of records, case studies, and expert interpretations. This helps the AI learn the specific language and decision-making frameworks relevant to these fields. For content creation applications in marketing or journalism, training datasets might include an extensive array of articles, social media posts, and marketing materials to teach the AI different styles and formats of writing that engage various audiences. However, the use of such expansive datasets raises significant concerns and challenges. One major issue that has arisen is the legality and ethics of data acquisition. There have been instances where developers have, allegedly, used data without proper authorization, or have failed to secure explicit consent from the people they are collecting data from. This has led to privacy violations and lawsuits. Additionally, the quality and composition of the training dataset heavily influence the AI's behavior and output. Biases in the dataset, whether due to underrepresentation or historical prejudices, can lead to AI models that perpetuate these biases, affecting fairness and objectivity. For instance, an AI trained on biased historical hiring data might replicate discriminatory hiring practices. To address these concerns, it is crucial for AI developers to ensure that their training datasets are not only comprehensive and diverse, but also ethically sourced and meticulously vetted for biases. This involves thorough data curation, consent from data owners, and ongoing efforts to refine the dataset to enhance its fairness and representativeness.